AIDS! Fucking right! Chinese food, eh? Fucking rights. We got some chicken fly lie, some egg woe, and some chicken ball, eh? And cottage cheese, and what are these dips, Donna? What are these sauces?
That's sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour,
Plum.
and plum sauce. Chinese food. There's Donna.
Hi.
Are ya?
Yeah.
Fucking rights. Donna's got the same shit over there. She's drinking a Coca-Cola. I'm drinking Molson Canadian. What beer's all a boot? Hey? Fucking rights. I got a bong toke loaded up right there. Space cookies from Kootenai Botanicals. It's really good stuff. Gives you the munchies and some other stuff. Hey? I think I showed you guys everything. There's Charlie. Where are you, Charlie? Where'd Charlie? Charlie? There you are. There's Charlie the Labradoodle. What's going on, Charlie? You got anything to say? Hey? You got any words? You got any doggy words today? No? Okay. I gave you your chance. You feel like you're in the middle, Donna? Huh? No? Perfect. Fucking perfect. Do you need anything before I sit down?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't had Chinese food in a while. Donna made the Chinese food. We didn't order it. She went to Independent Grocer and she got the chicken balls. And then she went to the Metro and got the rice and the egg rolls. Is that what happened?
Yes.
Yeah. She was oot at a boot earlier and we decided on Chinese for supper. Hey? Today's Friday. It's quiet in the neighborhood today. Today's the welfare day, eh? Most of our neighbors have fucked off and probably up at the Walmart, eh? They all head to the Walmart. The plow went by on Brusso this morning and put a little bit of snow at the end of the driveways, and everybody on the welfare, they were outside shoveling faster than I ever seen them shovel. They're just throwing the snow up in the air. Some people even had their snow blowers out, for fuck's sakes.
I will say.
And it wasn't even that much snow, but they wanted to get to the bank machine and get their welfare checks out right fast this morning. I watched them out the windows in the front yard and the backyard.
It was busy. Usually it's just quiet around here in the morning. Not today.
No, people seemed like they really needed to get some groceries or something. There was snow flying everywhere. They were just fucking, you know what I mean? Fucking shovel.
I don't know why They had to.
Any other day, you never see these people shovel their fucking driveways. Welfare day? They'll move a fucking a mountain just to get out of there. That's the way it seems. Do you have anything to say to go with what I was talking about? You're oot and a boot today?
Yeah.
Lots of people around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured that because it's the welfare day. Welfare day, it gets busy out there. Mostly at Walmart, but...
Independent was busy.
Was it?
Yeah, there's a lot of people there shopping. I don't... Like, when it gets that busy, I don't have the fucking patience. And there's like, I just don't like being around...
I'm just going to get in a supper toke, eh? I want to be able to taste these flavors.
I just don't, I don't have that. It's not like, you know, those people that are afraid to go outside. It's not like that. I just don't like if there's crowded places. It's like too germy and stuff.
That's better, eh? Fucking rights.
And the metro was like the same. It was like busy, not as busy as Independent, but it was busy, and it was just like the same thing. Like, get the fuck away from me. You know, like, I don't like that.
Yeah, get the fuck away from me. That's how it is at Independent.
Like any, I don't know. I just don't like I just don't like a lot of strangers around me.
I know a lot of people like these plum sauces and shit, but with their egg rolls. I like soy sauce on my egg rolls. Just figured I'd mention that. I'm not a big fan of chicken balls, but I got some chicken balls here.
I love chicken balls.
You like any kind of balls?
No, fuck off. That's gross.
Okay. Yeah, so it's been really quiet around here. Everybody's out spending their government money, eh? Government monies.
With their bestest clothes on?
Yep, everybody had their bestest clothes on, hair done up, makeup on. The ladies even had their curling irons out. The one day of the month they get all spruced up.
I couldn't imagine. I just couldn't.
I had to argue with her a little bit to get her to go get the Chinese food. She didn't want to go to the grocery store today because
I don't.
welfare day. Hey,
And
too
it's
busy. And every lady that goes, they're bringing like 4 kids with them. They're fucking yelling at them, threatening them with a beating when they get home. And you're throwing food around, Donna.
Put it in the cart! Put it in the cart! That's all you fucking hear, like, fuck off! And they're, like, looking around, fixing their lipstick. Like, no. I just,
Oh my fuck! Hey? That's good chicken fly light.
And you know what? For me, I see a lot of these ladies.
Oh, I should mention this. I have cottage cheese on my plate. Donna has the cream of some young guy.
Ew! That is gross. That's so gross. It's so disgusting.
What were we saying now before I said that?
The ladies. Some of these ladies, I see what they look like. They don't look like this, you know. There's always grease in their hair and they're like dressed like really sloppily.
Yeah, the ladies around here are pretty greasy looking.
But like...
Not today.
No.
They were like different women.
Yeah. Yeah, like that. You know. And you don't want them noticing. Like I don't know. I just kind of keep to myself. I don't like to notice people because then you know they see you and like then they gotta say something, and I just rather look away.
Everybody's gotta say something.
Mm-hmm.
My phone case came in today for the new iPhone that we got. You guys are probably wondering, well, why the fuck aren't you using the iPhone? Why aren't you live right now? Well, the iPhone that Donna got for me doesn't have a screen protector. And I read that the iPhone 7 scratches really easily.
12.
What did I say?
7.
Yeah, I said 7 because we're using the 7 right now. The iPhone 12, yeah. Apparently the screen don't break as easy. They won't crack as easy, but it scratches easy. And we don't want to scratch the shit out of the screen, so we ordered up another fucking case today. It's on its way. Comes with the screen protector, and we should be good to go after the weekend. Didn't take very long to get here anyway, so don't worry, just a couple more days. It's a nice looking case though, eh? It's camouflage and stuff. The other one that's come is not camouflage. I think it's just black, eh?
It's just black.
Yeah. Fuck! Hey! I hate ordering something up and not being happy with it and having to get another one. I can't even get my money back. Well, I guess I could, but...
No. Like, well, you can, but you gotta wait till COVID is over.
Oh, yeah, so fuck it. Anybody need an iPhone 7 case without a fucking screen? Let me know. Or without a screen protector, I mean, not a screen.
I guess if you already purchased, like, a protector for over the screen, all those sticky things you can get.
I forgot we had little chopsticks. Beep!
You know what I'm talking about?
No, what'd you say?
You know how people buy those screen protectors?
Ah! Can't even pick the shit up!
It just goes over isn't without the case. Some people just have that piece.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
It would be good for, like, if somebody already had the screen protector, like that plastic thing.
Uh-huh. So how do Chinese people cut with chopsticks and a knife? Like, they use a knife like that and just hold down the chopstick? Or do not use a knife, they just pick the whole thing up and
I
bite
was
it?
gonna say I've never seen a Chinese person or anybody eat Chinese food with a knife. Have you? Think back.
No, but I use a knife to cut my egg rolls.
I know, but just like, have you ever seen, even in movies?
No. In the movies, I always see the Chinese people eating. I only watched Bruce Lee movies and other kung fu movies from the old days, and whenever they're eating, they got a white bowl of rice, and they're like, you know what I mean? Actually, faster than what I'm doing. I almost knocked my fucking beer over. You guys know what I mean. If you guys watch some old Bruce Lee movies and other old Chinese movies, they eat really fucking fast. They're like really going with the chopsticks. And their rice doesn't look like it's all like, you know how the rice here falls apart? Theirs all balls up and sticks together in the movies.
I think it's sticky rice.
I don't know. And they drink white. Fuck! Hey! Oh, I meant to say they also drink rice wine in some of those old movies. That's what they were getting drunk off of. Rice wine while they're eating the rice. Actually, I think in the I think you might be able to see that in the Chinese Connection. I'm not 100% sure.
Mm-hmm.
But I think Bruce Lee and the people he was staying with, I think it was a Chinese Connection. They were eating the bowls of rice. I might be wrong about what movie it is, but I think it was a Chinese Connection. Anyway, enough about Bruce Lee and rice. Candy Girl, I seen your message today, your comment about your package being in Ontario. I got Donna to check that this morning, and we seen that. I was going to mention it today, but you already know, because I guess you're tracking it and we're tracking, so we all know where it is. Hey, I don't usually give too much information on where packages are when they're coming to me, though, because Canada Post is fucked, and some of them try to fuck with my mail sometimes, so I never say the destinations or when things are going to be here.
Early next week.
Early next week sometime. Yeah. I got lots of packages and stuff on its way here right now. But a lot of stuff's going to be coming slow because they had that, what was it? A great big COVID outbreak in
somebody, what was it, like 116 people or something like that tested for it, or I don't know, at the Mississauga plant. And
yeah, at the post office in Mississauga. That's where most of our mail goes through. So, might be a delay on some stuff.
They said,
Oh,
international mail, like, that's gonna.
yeah. I don't even know why I'm talking about that. Candy Girls package is coming FedEx. Right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Why was I talking about the post office?
we were talking about.
Oh, because I got other stuff coming.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh!
We got this joint that's going to be coming in the next, I don't know, probably sometime this month. I don't know when. The cocksucker's like 7 grams and it's laced with shatter over it, right? And it's supposed to burn for an hour and a half. Isn't that what it said?
That's what it said.
Yeah. It's called an Enzo something stick.
Is it Enzo or I don't know.
Endo or Enzo?
Something.
We did the Midnight Toker, but this is
Bigger.
yeah, it's bigger. Anyway, we don't know when that's gonna get here because there's a lot of mail is gonna be slowed down, I guess, from what we understand, and maybe it won't be here till next month. I don't know. I got one other thing on my list here, Donna, and it's actually your thing.
What's that?
Liars on Facebook from Timmins, Ontario.
Okay, we'll get into that in 1 second.
Okay.
But before we go, because we're talking about mail and COVID and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So our Prime Minister, Mr. Trudeau. Anyways, so starting, what is it, this Sunday, you can't take no flights to Mexico or the hot destinations. You're not allowed. The planes aren't. I'm pretty sure that's what it said. And the thing, right, if you're coming back, right, you gotta, the thing, remember you're talking about the hotels? So you have to, so you have to stay at your expense. The government's not fucking paying for you. You have to stay at a hotel until you're
at your own expense, yeah. Until you're
COVID free.
No. I think it's just 3 days.
No, the thing said if you have it, right?
Yeah, I thought it was 3 days and then you can go home and continue there or something.
You have to quarantine in that wherever you are. I don't fucking understand it.
How do Chinese people eat cottage cheese with chopsticks?
They just do.
The reason we have cottage cheese is a lot of Chinese buffets we've gone to. Yeah, they have cottage cheese. And we're used to having cottage cheese with our...
You gotta scoop it.
Yeah, but if they only have chopsticks, to say they didn't have spoons and forks...
You take your... This is why I keep mine together, and I come in for... like that.
Those are small bites.
Okay. I was going through some stuff today. And there was stuff that I did not eat.
Donna was going through some stuff today and there was stuff she just didn't eat. Couple bowls, cups.
Actually, I started doing this like maybe about 2 weeks ago, and then I just added to it, right?
Yeah, she's been packing. I think I told you guys that.
And there's like, I look at something, I'm like, okay, I'm never gonna use this again, and off it goes. I don't like keeping just in case. So I just in case I'm gonna keep this bowl. I'm not like that. Anyway, so I put it on the site. Facebook, in the group, Families in Need, Timmins, Ontario, right away. Within the first, I don't know, less than 5 minutes, a girl fucking messages me. I'll take it.
Her first name was Amy.
She says, I'll take it.
That's all I remember.
So I said, okay, I'm pretty sure I said to her, like, I PM'd you, or I was just going to, and she did it to me. this big fucking speech, like, I'm gonna get off of work around 3, and then, you know what, I can I have your address, this and that, can, you know, I'll message you when I'm on my way. Great, you know, because I'll leave it outside the door, because you're supposed to anyways, right, because COVID, right? Who decides to delete their fucking messages, and then after that doesn't show up? One of the fucking... This happens all the fucking time.
Every time Donna tries to give something away or sell it on one of those fucking Facebook groups, some stupid bastard,
And there's a lot.
yeah, says they're gonna come and get it. They really want it. They're gonna be here at this certain time, and they never fucking show up. Ever. Some people even asked us before to deliver stuff, and their addresses didn't even fucking exist, and so we don't deliver nothing no more. If you want something that Donna's getting rid of, you come and get it, or you can fuck off, because I'm not bringing it to you. There's so many people around Timmins that are full of shit.
I don't know what is the point of going on somewhere, right, and typing down, I will take it, when you're not going to show up. What fucking thrill do you get out of that?
Yeah.
So I'm not too fucking thrilled. I hate when people do that. So I fucking just said, fuck it. Gave most of it to fucking Justin, and the rest I shot in the garbage.
Justin didn't really want anything, but
we made him.
we made him take some of the stuff. So we might need this one day. Here's a good candy dish for you. We got some puzzles and stuff.
I found them at home.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I was gonna say, if you know some elderly people and you want to come pick them up and give them to the old folks' homes, you can come and get them. I don't think we'd be able to get into an old folks' home, especially not knowing it.
I don't think anybody is.
No? I was gonna say, especially because we don't know anybody in there and we don't have no business there, they would definitely tell us to fuck off.
And I know what you're gonna say, like, oh, there's the churches and stuff, but the churches don't give everything for free. Like, you gotta pay for a bag of, like, what is it, $10 bag day or whatever it is. I don't know.
Yeah, there's a Value Village where we're gonna throw shit off there, but they sell it.
And I think they're closed now too. Yeah, and they sell it for top fucking dollar. Like, you didn't even pay that much to begin with. That's the Value Village.
Yeah.
And I heard, like, I don't know about, maybe all places are like this, but
when we give shit away, we like to give it to somebody who's actually going to use it.
The Value Village, actually, what I already have heard from there is the workers just, everything that goes in there, the workers get first dibs on before it goes.
Yeah, that's not fair.
That's not yours to take.
Why are the workers taking all the best stuff that they want and leaving all the shit?
I know, and the Value Village.
We don't ever go to the Value Village, but
we go. The only time we do go is around Halloween, because they do get new.
Yeah.
Like.
But only if we decide that we're gonna go out that year or dress up for some reason.
That's it, and it's fucking.
They usually do have the best Halloween masks and stuff for here in Timmins, Ontario. Anyway.
But the rest of the store's garbage.
Yeah, everything else in there, the smell is fucked, man.
Oh my goodness.
You gotta get in and out. Don't look at nothing. Just go to the Halloween masks, and then they're closer to the front. But if you wander off to the back of the store, you might catch something worse than COVID. Hey?
God, it smells.
It smells fucking bad in there.
Oh. They're like fucking couches too. Sometimes they get in.
Yeah. Some dirty ass couches.
That they are.
The stains on them.
Cat hair.
Who the fuck buys a couch from the Value Village though? Really? That's fucked.
They're probably the same people that go at like they didn't have it last year, but the spring cleanup fuckers.
Yeah.
You know how they go and pick up people's shit because they need.
Yeah. Around here at spring cleanup, people load up their vehicles and they come around at nighttime and they take almost all your garbage that you put at the end.
Yeah.
They take almost every fucking thing. Donna threw out carpets one year and a lady even came and took those.
Oh my god, the carpet, their area rug. I think there was one or two, right?
Yeah, they were no good.
And she was asking me what I was doing with them, and like they sat out there for fucking all week. It rained and everything. Like, I'm like, they're garbage. Oh, like, you don't want nothing for them? I'm like, if they're spring cleanup, oh, do you mind if I take them? Whatever. Take away.
Speaking of spring cleanup, I don't know if we ever told you this story, but Donna used to have an elliptical. She used to work out on her elliptical, and one day it broke, and so we put it out in the spring cleanup there to get rid of it because it was taking up room for nothing.
Yeah.
And a dude came by and he took that elliptical and you could tell them the rest of the story.
This is how the story got. Okay, so it was spring cleanup and they're bigger items. You know, it doesn't have to be bigger items, but mostly our stuff is bigger items because everything small that breaks, you just throw in the garbage. Anyways, we had a pile, like, not a pile, we had stuff out there, and this truck pulls up. They actually, the guy that came to the door and asked if what I was doing with the elliptical, and I said it's broken. I said it still goes, but whatever. Anyways, so he says, "Can I take it?" And I said, "Yeah." So the two guys that were in the truck, right?
Yeah.
The guy goes back, gets his buddy that was driving. They actually take out their garbage because they had to fit my elliptical in that I was getting rid of, and they piled up some of the garbage from the back of the truck. Do you remember this?
Sort of.
Those fucking cocksuckers. First of all, you take your garbage with you. I don't want it in my fucking yard.
Yeah, they exchanged their garbage for the elliptical.
And then the fucking guy, apparently, well, he's like this portrait. Well, you know the people that take like an online course for photography, and they're fucking all of a sudden professionals. Oh no, I'll have you standing by this tree. One of those fuckers, okay?
Yeah.
And I see that he's fucking posting it for sale. So I fucking called him out on it, and I did this while this guy used to come into fucking Independent all the time, like
When you worked there?
when I worked there, and I was like, "Fuck this! Like, you are not going to do this. You're not going to. It's broken. What are you trying to fucking sell it for, right?" Yeah, he had on there, bought from Walmart. Wife only used it for a little while, and I'm like, I fucking called him out on it, and he tried to tell me it was. He has two of them, he said.
She knew he was lying because the battery part at the back, the little, was it a battery thing? What was it?
It was the battery, the little plastic piece that
She forgot to put that on when she brought it outside. It was still sitting on our coffee table here, and in the picture that part wasn't on. And had the same marks on it that Donna's had on it, so we knew it was Donna's.
It was mine. He was trying to fucking sell it.
I mean, well, it was his after he took it, but it wasn't fair that he was trying to sell it to somebody else to make some, how much were you selling it for?
I don't remember.
But the fucking thing didn't work.
It wasn't like it was $50. He was selling it for like a good price, like a brand new fucking price, and it wasn't brand new. I fucking called him out on it, and that post fucking came down, and
Donna made sure nobody bought it off him.
Well, you know what? If it was
she
this,
commented and said, "You got that out of my garbage."
yeah, I put it right on the fucking thing so everybody could see it, not just fucking private messaging. I fucking made sure that all the people on Facebook in this town are fucking seeing that this guy's trying to, sell fucking stuff that's
Came out of the garbage. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this. I made a video earlier this morning. I had Mexican for breakfast. Hey, I made some tacos. Go check it out if you want. It's a video before this video. I know most of you guys probably don't watch too many cooking videos and stuff. Do you do that?
no.
But I gotta make some every once in a while without weeds and swearing because we're monetized now and that's how YouTube works, okay? If you want to make money off YouTube, you gotta have some videos that are not about weeds and getting high and that kind of shit. Can't be swearing too much, So I gotta make some cooking videos once in a while to make some cash, and maybe some other videos. We're thinking of doing some other kind of videos. We don't want to wreck the surprise yet, eh? But we've been thinking, and we might have some other kinds of videos coming out for you guys eventually. But we don't know yet. We're trying to, you know what I mean? Well, it's hard to explain.
It's hard to explain without saying.
Yeah.
Like if you say it, then they're all gonna know.
Yeah.
So you gotta just kind of like say the words outside of it, and hopefully it makes sense.
Yeah. So we'll tell you down the road. We'll show you down the road what ideas we have. We'll make some videos and see what you guys like. But the reason we're doing this is because YouTube, when you're monetized, you gotta, you put the ads on your videos, and the more people that watch them, the more money you make, and you guys don't really watch the cooking videos, and those are our money makers. So we got some other ideas that will fill in for those of you that don't like the cooking, the food videos. Eh? Hopefully that all made sense. I don't know, but that's all I can really say about it right now. Anything to talk about, Donna? One dirty egg roll?
No.
It's got soy sauce on it, some cottage cheese stuck to the side.
No, I don't want that.
You feed those things to Charlie?
No.
No?
No, we can't have cabbage and stuff like that.
Oh, that's what's in there? Cabbage?
There's a chicken ball over there, and I still have a Timbit from the lady this morning at the Tim Hortons.
So Charlie has treats already.
Yeah. It's, I don't know.
Here you go, Donna.
I didn't even bother to brush my hair today.
I could tell.
Just,
I thought you looked extra pretty.
it's just there. It just is. Never mind, I won't say it.
Anyway, sorry about the boring video. It's Friday, and most of you cocksuckers don't even watch our Friday video. Well, I guess you do, but you just don't watch it on Friday. You come back on fucking Monday or Tuesday.
Sometimes Sunday night.
Our Friday videos usually pick up on the views early in the following week.
Yeah.
I don't know why it works like that. I just assume you guys are out smoking your weeds, maybe drinking and banging each other. Hey, Friday night's for banging. Just like Wednesday, hey, hump day. Friday's a special kind of hump day, though.
Yeah.
Yep. Friday you hit parties and you do all your humping at the party. What's going on, Donna?
Somebody posted this, but I guess the guy was from Timmins, but he passed away.
Drugs?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's the health unit had to put a thing out. Well, they didn't have to, but they did. There's a lot of there's overdoses, but there's more people overdosing. So and they're saying it's that fentanyl fucking shit again.
Yeah, that shit's pretty bad around here.
Yeah, so they put out a thing out saying, and they tell you if you see somebody that you think start shaking them and stuff like that, and
You're supposed to shake them?
Yeah, they're supposed to if you say you knew somebody and they overdosed in front of you, the health unit says you keep shouting their name and you shake them by the shoulders like that.
Like you shake them gently, or you grab them really fucking.
I don't think you're gonna
really fucking let him know that he's being shook.
No, I've seen one not in person. I watched on TV and it was real life TV. It wasn't fake TV. And the guy that was overdosing, oh my fucking god. Anyways, the guys were they were going around handing out those fucking kits. That's what it was. They were going around handing out kits in areas where there's homeless people, there's lots of drug use or something. Anyways, they came up. The guy was fucking overdosing. Like his eyes were rolled back in his head, and he was on his way of just falling back on the concrete. And when he was laying down, they were like, you know, you're shaking them like probably a little bit more powerful than what I can do, but enough, right?
Yeah.
And then they fucking put in the shit there to bring like, I don't know what it does, bring the guy back or whatever. And they had to do it again on him. Like, I wouldn't want to ever have to fucking. I would help the person, obviously, but I wouldn't want to see it. I wouldn't want to deal with it. Okay? That's pretty fucking.
No, it's not something people want to deal with, but sometimes you don't got a choice. You might be the only fucking person around. Way she goes, eh? Fucking way she goes. Sometimes you gotta go out of your way to help somebody, even if you have a hard time handling the situation.
Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I think you would never forget it. You know what I mean? You
probably wouldn't. I wouldn't think so.
I think it's like one of those things. I don't like those things, like those types of things, because I just don't. You know.
Those types of things are fucked. It's a fucky world we live in, eh?
It is. It is.
It is.
And it's like what? And like it's February and what? 2 days? 3 days? 3 days? Third day? Like today's the 29th of January. It's just the weekend, and then like come Monday, we're in February. It's going by quick. Do you find?
Yeah, went by quick.
Summer's just about here again.
Thank fuck. I can't stand the winter.
According to all the spring people, like, you know, like people just, there's like 50, what is it? Yesterday, the day before, somebody posted 55 days till spring. That doesn't really mean anything around here because
It's too cold in spring around here. We gotta buy a new barbecue this summer. Nice propane one.
Yeah, I'm done with the charcoal.
We had propane, we went to charcoal, but
Now we're going back to propane.
now we're going back to propane. The charcoal, you smell like fucking smoke every time you fucking cook out there.
Yeah, like.
And yeah, it was fun to play with it at first, but now it's becoming a real pain in the cock.
Yeah, you gotta take so long to fucking have the thing lit, and like it's like an oven. You gotta fucking preheat it and stuff. Like fuck that. All like smelling like fucking smoke just after you got out of the fucking shower.
Yep, you smell like you're at camp every time you're done cooking.
All the time. You can't get fucking romantic like that.
No romance with the fucking charcoal barbecue. Use the charcoal barbecue and I can't even get my bird sucked. I'm just kidding.
Stop! It's just... Wow, that's the honest to God truth.
My pelican.
Don't call it that.
You called it that!
Is it propane or propane? Charcoal barbecues are good for.
She's having a hard time talking now because she's thinking about the pelican.
No, I'm thinking about that big gross thing that hangs down from it. You know, the big thing that it jiggles when it's eating fish.
That's what she calls my ball bag.
No, I don't. I don't say that.
You did. We got a video where you said that.
But I know. I didn't call it the pelican.
You said it looks like a pelican.
I didn't say it was a pelican.
Same shit.
Anyways, I think charcoal barbecues are either made for single people or really old people that don't get intimate anymore. That's what I think.
Yeah, so we gotta pick up a new barbecue before the snow disappears.
Yeah.
Not that anybody gives a fuck. Anything else?
I don't think so.
Okay. We're coming up on the end now. We don't want to bore the fuck out of you guys too long, hey? You guys probably have some other YouTubers to go and check out. Like, I don't know. Pickle boy, eh? Kid behind a camera. How come he gets so many views? His videos suck now. I used to watch Angry Grandpa all the time, and
Well, I think that's it, right?
yeah, now that Angry Grandpa's gone, Pickle Boy. Well, you guys know what I'm talking about. Everybody knows who the fuck he is. His shows suck now. His videos suck now. But he gets so many views, eh? Like, how the fuck? People are probably waiting for the AGP to come back.
What does that mean?
Know what I mean?
What does this mean? Yeah.
But I guess sometimes he uploads like an old video of AGP. That's the only reason I'm still subscribed.
Oh, never mind. Okay, I figured it out.
I'm still subscribed only for the old stuff that we haven't watched that he still releases, you know? Rarely.
I think that's like, what like, you know...
But him and Bridget are so fucking boring. Don't you think?
This is the thing, and
I have a hard time watching them now.
but they script everything. Everything's written. Everything is. They know what they're saying before. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean?
Well, they're not very good actors.
But that's what I don't understand. Like, I could not sit here, and you know, I couldn't be rehearsing my lines tomorrow morning for tomorrow's show. Like,
That'd be fucked.
that's why I think it's just better to do it like this.
I'm gonna get in my road toque. You can still keep talking.
Mm-hmm.
I see we got 2 new subscribers. Cigarette holder to yous. Old subscribers. People watching that aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button to stick around. We upload something every day, sometimes a few things.
We never leave you hanging like a cock.
So, boop! Hit this button, stick around, watch some videos, get to know us. And yeah. Final words, Donna.
Stay happy and stay safe and be kind and enjoy your Friday and enjoy your whole weekend. And, I don't know.
Enjoy your Friday, enjoy your whole weekend, enjoy all next week, enjoy next weekend.
This is your last weekend. This is the last weekend of January, so that's one thing. February is a short month. I think there's only 28 days this year. I'm not too sure. I'm going to look. 28 days only.
Oh, in February, yeah.
Yeah, and so, and then like March,
I was already looking at how short that was. Thank fuck.
our anniversary is next month.
Yeah. Our anniversary's on Valentine's Day.
Mm-hmm.
We got married on Valentine's Day.
Yeah, so there's, you know.
So we have to do extra banging on Valentine's Day. Eh? Fucking right. Donna has a hard time walking on February 15th.
No.
Oh yeah, we ordered up a new case today. I don't know if I said that part. Did I?
Yeah.
It's on its way.
It should be, I would say, like, what's today? Friday, maybe Wednesday?
Maybe Wednesday.
I don't know. I don't know how fast FedEx, like, I will say they're pretty damn quick, but I don't know if they work the weekends like Canada Post does. I would imagine so. It's a fucking FedEx.
I don't know if you guys can see how bad my hands are getting from the weather. They're all cracked and red, and they'll probably be bleeding in the next hour. Happens every fucking night. See that shit?
It looks like a cat got you, hey?
I'll come closer and show you guys real quick in case you can't see. You probably don't care, but I gotta show somebody other than Donna.
They look
This is my worst hand.
It looks like cat attacked you.
Yeah. They keep putting cream on the cocksuckers, but it doesn't seem to be helping.
You have a lots on. That's how I got my hands, like, white.
The bottom of my legs by my ankles are starting to get like that too.
Yeah.
Anyway. Sorry about the boring video, but nothing to fucking do around here.
My hands are just white and blue.
Yeah. Really white, you can see her blue veins like an old woman.
I think that's what it is. I think my
It's old age.
I do. I think my hands are like regular age. Like,
My hands are fucked right now.
Like I think that's.
If I was to fucking pull my putt, it'd feel like I was using sandpaper.
Ew.
That's what it'd feel like. It'd feel like I was using sandpaper to jack off. I have to use Donna's hand for now.
Yeah.
Anyway, enough fucking around. I got shit to do. So we're gonna fuck off out of here. Smoke some more. I was gonna say smoke some more beers.
I thought you were going to say bang.
What?
I thought you were going to say bang.
Smoke some more bang? No, not smoke some more bang. Anyway, we're gonna fuck off out of here, smoke some more weeds, drink some more beers, smoke some more weeds, look for something else to munch on, smoke some more weeds, probably drink some more beers, smoke some more weeds,
Bang.
smoke some more weeds, watch some YouTube videos, and
Keep on smoking weeds.
So until next time, like,
Subscribe.
and fuck off!